Hey everybody, in this video I'll be talking about an issue I had with my washing machine and what I did to fix it. So my washing machine stopped working and it had some letters on the display that said ND. And after a quick Google search, I found out that ND stands for no drain. There's most likely a filter on the bottom of your washing machine that needs to be cleaned out every few months. I checked my filter and sure enough it was really clogged. I have a few kids and it was clogged with tape, band-aids, dirt, stickers, all sorts of stuff. So I cleaned that out and the washing machine actually worked for a full cycle, but then it stopped again and it threw up that ND code. The washing machine is about 15 years old now, so I decided to just tear it apart and see if I can figure out what was going wrong. I figured if I broke it, I needed to buy a new one anyways. But because it wasn't draining, I figured it was probably something wrong with the pump. If a pump is pumping against a clogged filter, there's a good chance it's going to get burned up. So when I found the pump and I separated it from the housing, I was spinning it. I spun it and it's really stiff. Motors aren't supposed to be that stiff. So I ordered a new one on Amazon. It was only 20 bucks and you can tell a big difference. It spins freely. You can feel it like kind of snap between the poles. And I'm almost positive that this is my issue. So I'm gonna throw my new pump in and see how it goes. All right, let's find out. On the pump housing, there's also a little check valve that you might want to check as well. Check valve is just so after it's done pumping water out of your washing machine, the water doesn't come flooding back in. This guy right here, just make sure that it moves freely and isn't stuck with any debris. Hey little babes!
Want me to help you?
Oh my goodness. I was really hoping a princess would come help me.
Hi, camera.
Fixing our washing machine. When taking your washing machine apart, it's going to help to have like little separate cups for the individual components that you're removing. That way you know what screws go back where. Hey, I think I found some of your band-aids in that filter. Was that you? I think you left some band-aids in your pocket or something.
No.
Yeah, band-aids, stickers,
Look,
tape, art supplies,
Look, I think I did.
beads.
Look, I think I did that when I had baby size jeans and I didn't know.
Okay.
It's good.
All right, almost moment of truth. These are the wet clothes that never made it all the way through the wash cycle. Good signs, good signs. Let's go for glory. Once you have everything put back together and you're running your first wash cycle, it's going to be a really good idea to look underneath your washing machine and check for leaks. All right, everybody. This video was not intended to be a how-to. There are lots of videos on YouTube that show you how to take apart your washing machine and put it back together for specific models as well. So I would search for that. But hopefully this video helped you troubleshoot what might be going on and how to tell if the motor for your pump is bad. If it did, let me know in the comments. I love to hear stories about how my videos help people fix things in their home. And if not, maybe let me also know in the comments, and myself or someone reading them might be able to help you troubleshoot further as to what's going on. Do not be intimidated by this sort of stuff. You're probably at the point where you're thinking about buying a new washing machine anyway, so what do you have to lose? The motor cost me $20 and I fixed the problem and saved myself, between $700 and $1,000 replacing this washing machine. Take your time, watch some videos, and hopefully you can get your washing machine fixed. I'll see you in the next one.